You know that feeling when you are on the edge of something great, but you can't help but doubt yourself. When the fear of failure is so overwhelming that it stops you from even trying. Well, let me tell you, my friend, you are not alone. Self-doubt is something that affects all of us at one point or another, and it can be a real roadblock on the path to success. But the good news is you can overcome it, and that's what exactly we're going to talk about today. First things first, it's possible to recognize that self-doubt is just a feeling, and like all other feelings, it's not a fact. Just because you feel like you are not good enough for something or you can't do something doesn't mean it's true. So how do you overcome self-doubt? How you can overcome self-doubt? Well, there's a few things you can do. The first step is to acknowledge your doubts. Don't try to push them away or ignore them. Instead, sit with them and try to understand where they're coming from. Is it because of something someone said to you? Or is it because of some past experience? Next, focus on your strength. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? When you focus on what you're good at, it helps boost your confidence and give you the motivation to tackle new challenges. Another way of overcoming self-doubt is to set small goals for yourself. When you achieve these small goals, it can give you a sense of accomplishment and help you build your confidence. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's from a friend, family member, or a professional, there's no shame in asking help when you need it. Remember, self-doubt is just a feeling, it's not a fact. And with a little bit of effort, you can overcome it and achieve the things you never thought possible. One more thing to keep in mind when you are overcoming self-doubt is to take care of your physical health. Exercise is not only good for your body, but also for your mind. And when you exercise, your body releases endorphins that can help boost your mood and reduce feeling of anxiety and stress. Surround yourself with positive people who support you and believe in you. They can help lift you up when you're feeling down and remind you of your worth and potential. And finally, always remember that it's okay to make mistakes. Failure is a part of learning process, and every successful person has failed at something at some point in their life. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes, keep moving forward, and never give up on yourself. So my friend, I hope this video has inspired you to overcome your self-doubt and achieve your goals. Remember, you are capable of achieving things, and the only thing standing in your way is you, yourself. Believe in yourself, take actions, go out there, make your dreams a reality. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, this is Akshat signing off.